Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. In this video, we'll be doing a teaser of Pratham Yash Vrindavan, which is located at Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune and developed by Pratham Yash Builders. Also with that, we'll be discussing on the following points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch, discounts, offers and many more. Before moving ahead, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, resulting in bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home with the developer through Housey. So now let's discuss. First one is the project overview of Pratham Yash Vrindavan. That will be constructed on 1.5 acres land parcel consisting of 4 towers. Each tower consisting of basement, ground and 10 floors of 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the surrounding and connectivity of the project. This is our land parcel. And here is the connecting road to Alandi. Now talking about the location part. This is the project that is located near Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune. From here, Charoli Fata is just 350 meter, Reliance Smart Bazaar is 450 meter, MIT Alandi campus is just 2.1 kilometer. Now let's talk about amenities. This project has luxurious amenities with likes of clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, indoor games, senior citizen sit-out area, jogging tracks and many more. We'll be discussing about the carpet area. Pratham Yash Vrindavan has 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK has 677 to 728 square feet, whereas 3 BHK has 931 square feet carpet area. So now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project in detail along with the 3D model. We'll give you the pricing and payment schemes too. We'll show you the actual location. If the clients like it, they may proceed ahead with the booking process. Also, you can register yourself freely and schedule a site visit soon. This is the entire teaser of Pratham Yash Vrindavan, which is located at Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune and developed by Pratham Yash Builders. Also, अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ मेंशन करो कमेंट बॉक्स पे. For more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.